This is the new cart feature associated with the CSG Actuarial Market Advisor tools. This is a kind of a quick demo to show you how to start a cart. And what we mean by cart is the ability for the agent to do two product lines but one application process. So we're building a cart for the client associated with the various products that they may be enrolling in. So to start this, you're going to notice a new client or application name up here above the demographics page that you've used before. This is not required, so you do not have to do this each time. But if you do want to start a cart, you can enter the client name. So we'll do this as Jane Smith, and we'll create Jane as a client or applicant, and this is the name of our cart. So if we attach multiple product lines, we're attaching it to Jane Smith, and you can see other carts that you may have done in the past. But to start, you'll type in a name of the individual you want to run, and then their zip code, age, gender, and tobacco status, just as you would on the previous quote. So we'll press Get Quote. It's going to provide you the options just as it would on your current quoting tools, but you'll notice here a couple of different things. One is we have our cart options over here on the right hand side. This can be removed by clicking this X, so if you didn't want to look at it or you're kind of done reviewing the cart, you can click this X to go back to the main screen that you are used to seeing. But you'll notice here we also have an Add to Cart button, and so if you're dealing with the beneficiary and they want to do, say, a MedSup and a dental on the tool, this is an example of how to create that cart or both options and do one application process. So we've quoted them a MedSup here. I'm going to go ahead and select this United World Mutual of Omaha plan, and we'll click Add to Cart. It's now providing me over the Plan G, the price per month, and it's validating my agent writing number or MPN with Mutual to make sure that I am properly appointed and licensed with Mutual in the state that I'm trying to do the app for. If I didn't want to do the cart, I just wanted to enroll them in a MedSup plan, I can just click Apply Now. And so the cart feature is meant for cross-product enrollments. And so we wanted to create an easy way for cross-selling and cross-enrollments on the system. Rather than the agent doing one quote, an application, and then another quote, an application, we've streamlined that process. So I've done my MedSup. Now let's say they wanted a dental or vision plan. I then switch over and click on dental or vision. It's carried over Jane Smith and the zip code information and demographic information that I selected. I press Get Quote. It's now going to provide me the list of all the dental and vision options that will be available to her with the Add to Cart feature on here. So we'll just select this top one, this Independence American Vision plan, and I can apply for that direct, or I can click Add to Cart. It's now added this vision plan and the MedSup plan all in my cart. So here's the cart now for Jane Smith, which I can remove if I wanted to exit and kind of remove these options for her. I can do so by clicking that Remove button. The reason this exclamation point pops up is it's not validating me as a licensed agent. So it's saying in order to submit this cart or these two applications, we have to make sure that you're properly appointed and licensed with this carrier. You need to update your agent information associated with that company. So that's what that's in reference to. We also have a benefit level section here. So if the company does offer increased benefits or increased riders or an increase in benefit level, you can make those selections here, or you can also go to the plan details just as you would before and review the different sections or options that would be available. But see, I've created the cart now for MedSup and for Vision for Jane Smith. It's giving me my total gross premium cost here down below. I can then click Start Application. It's now going to allow me to do the e-application process where we start with MedSup and move to Vision. It's one process, the same time, where you don't have to fill out all the information carries over to other applications. And then it's one submission, and we disseminate those to the different carriers. And so that's the cart option and the cart feature. Please give this a try and check it out and provide feedback as necessary. Appreciate it.